Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this beautiful kinky coily hair for crochet hairstyle. So for this video, you won't need any flexi rod. So I'm going to be showing you how to get this beautiful coily hair without using any coily tools. Okay, so to start, you need to take your braiding hair and cut it into the length you want. So for me, I cut the hair into 5 equal lengths. So after cutting the hair, you need to pull on the ends to get rid of the blunt end and also to help give you extra length. So once you're done pulling on the ends of the hair, you need to go in with your brush and brush the hair through to make sure it's tangle free. Okay, so now for this next step, you will need a tripod or a chair, something you can wrap a string around to help with the process. So once that is done, you need to take the hair, okay? Take the amount of the hair you're going to be working with, a small amount, and brush the hair through again to make sure it's tangle free. Next, place the hair over the string just like this, okay, making sure to hold the hair in place, and also you want to separate the hair with your finger, just like I'm doing in this video. So once that is done, take the yarn and wrap it around the starting point about 2 to 3 times, okay, to secure the starting point in place. So after that, you need to start braiding the hair. Okay, so using the yarn as the third leg for the braid or the third strand for the braid. So when doing the braid, you want to make sure not to braid it don't make sure not to do a tight braid. You want to make the braid a bit loose. So making it a bit loose will help with the process. So you'll be able to push the hair towards the roots easily. If it's too tight, it won't push all the way to the base of the braid. So you need to make sure that the braid is a bit loose, okay, just like I'm doing in this video. So just go ahead and braid it all the way to the tip of the hair. Take your time, no need to rush it, okay? Take your time and braid it all the way to the tip of the hair. Again, make sure not to braid the hair too tight. All right, so once you braid it to the tip of the hair right there, now you need to take the hair, right? Hold the hair together. Oh, one more thing, make sure not to take any strand when from the other side when braiding the hair, okay? So just hold the ends of the hair in place and pull on the string or pull on the yarn. At the same time, push the hair towards the base of the braid. Gently push it all the way to the base of the braid. So you're pulling on the string or pulling on the yarn at the same time, pushing the hair towards the base of the braid. Just like this. So once you're done pushing it all the way to the base, the next step now, you need to take the yarn, the thread, and wrap it around the ends of the hair about 3 to 4 times, okay? After that, you need to tie a knot to secure it in place. So right here, I'm going ahead to tie a knot to secure it in place. All right, just like that. So this is it right here. All right, so now you need to go ahead and repeat the same thing on the rest of the hair. So once you're done repeating the process on the rest of the hair, you can either trim the hair. This part is optional. If you don't have that much flyaways on the hair, you don't have to trim it. But if you need to, take your scissors and trim away some of the flyaways, okay? Okay, so once you're done trimming the hair, the next step now is to dip the hair in hot boiled water. Okay, so make sure to wear protective glove if need be. Okay, so pour the hot water into your bucket. You can add oil, you can add hair cream, you can add air conditioner to give the hair a nice smell. Okay, so just pour the hot water in the bucket, and after that put the hair in the bucket, making sure that the hair is completely soaked. Okay, you want to push it all the way down to make sure the water covers the hair. So let it sit for about a minute. Okay, so next you need to take it out of the water, take it out of the hot water, and let the hair air dry completely. Okay, okay, so the hair is air dry now. So the next step is to unravel the hair. So to do that, you just take a scissors and cut the ends of the braid just like that. So go ahead and repeat the same thing on the rest. Okay, cut the ends off. So now it's time to unravel the braid. So to do that, you just take the hair and pull it out. Okay, so that will loosen the braid. So just pull it out like that. So next you need a ratchet comb. So using the ratchet comb, you need to use that to gently pull out the yarn between the hair. So you want to pay attention to what you're doing right here. Don't pull on the hair. You're only trying to remove the yarn. Okay, just try and use the ratchet comb and gently pull it out just like this, and separate the hair just like that. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that. So next, okay, so now repeat the same process on the rest of the hair. Doing the same thing, start by pulling on the hair to help loosen the braid, just like that. Just unravel and remove it. So now you can gently separate the hair, and it just comes apart easily. You don't need to force it. Just like that. There you go, and your hair is ready. So look at that. Look at this. Beautiful. All right, guys. So this is the final result right here. Look at this beautiful, beautiful coil pattern right here. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, guys. So we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and leave your comment down below what you think of the video. If let me know if you're going to be giving it a try. Okay, yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.